So I did a vlog last week and someone commented below and said, actually, I should do something for a week. And I thought, why not? So it's Monday, it's coming up to 2 o'clock. It's a little bit late, but actually I went to sleep at like 6 o'clock in the morning. I'll ask why, I will fill you in. Coming up to 2 p.m, I've got a call with a client right now. And inshallah, I need to do something. I'm going to fill you in. All right, so basically we're going home now. I'm going to munch up some food, have some shepherd's pie, eat up. And then inshallah, I'm back in the office. It's Monday, so we start the week good and we finish it easy. That doesn't even make sense. We start the week good and we finish it. We don't finish it bad either, actually, to be fair. I'll see you guys in a bit, all right? Right, so we're back in the office. Time to edit out more content for Teach You. Now, what is Teach You? I'm sure many of you guys know this guy, man like Tim. Tim has done a course for us on Teach You. I am going to explain to you guys what is Teach You. Teach You is a platform that I've started, and Teach You is a platform where experts will teach what they know. And this varies. This varies from business, this varies from marketing, business tax, this varies from even, filmmaking, this varies from photography, product knowledge, Shopify, ads, so much more. All that stuff will be coming. 3 courses are already recorded on the platform. There will be 2 or 3 courses uploaded every single month. And it's only $19.99 per month. So I'm trying to do this because education is sometimes quite expensive. And so I'm making it a lot easier and cheaper. There are many things that people don't learn in university, college, and so on and so forth. And those things I'm basically bringing to Teach You. And I'm making sure that experts are teaching it in a professional manner. So I'm hoping this is going to be something good. I'm hoping this is going to be even something good for you guys. 3 courses are already uploaded. 2 more courses are coming out in another 2-3 weeks. 2 more courses after that. But the first 200 people will get it for $19.99. And after 200, the prices will be increasing. So sign up. I do think that it's going to be revolutionary for the people that sign up. Tim, if you're watching this, I'm editing your video. 12 o'clock in the night. All right then, we're off. Basically coming out to 12:40. I'm gonna go to Creams. I feel like I deserve a dessert. Why not? Let's shoot off home. I think me and the missus are just gonna have like dessert at home. You know what I mean? It's like catch up time. And you guys are gonna be thinking, Rob Musa, you're rude. Catching up with your missus at 11:30. Listen. Just keep up to date. Keep watching with the whole video. You know what I mean? It's only Monday. We got a whole week to go. So we'll make it balanced. We'll balance everything out. Bear with me. Creams is option 1. I think it's shut. Is it shut? Oh, they've shut it. Let's try Creams. Creams is shut as well. Let's try Pepe's. We're in, lads. Gonna be a happy man tonight. So, today the morning is starting at 10 o'clock.
Obviously, again, I guess like you have a business, right? But I would probably not even go there because
There's a sun, bro. There's a sun. The other way.
I'll just do it now before I even come out.
All right, come Tuesday, we're still here trying to complete out Teach You. I'm still trying to edit out the videos. Tim is still here. Man like Muhammad is helping me out, do some editing. Inshallah, this should be ready Tuesday. Hopefully tonight it should be ready, or Wednesday. But yeah, this is practically out Wednesday, Tuesday night, 9:52. I've been home. I've done my little chill wheel. And yeah, I guess gotta keep smashing this out. Right then, Tuesday has come to an end. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Alhamdulillah, to be fair, I've managed to edit out all the courses for Teach You, so that's good. We're now off to Fajr Salah. Well, I'm off to Fajr Salah. LB Muhammad has managed to make his own way there. I got 2 minutes. So yeah, I guess you'll see me on Wednesday morning now. By the way, that is the view. So Wednesday morning, it is beautiful. Weather is stunning. I was going to walk to the office. It's too hot, so I'm gonna get the car. I can't do it. Wallahi. Get to the office, do a couple of things. Inshallah, I'm just uploading all the content for Teach You. It's just last minute stuff now. So first 3 days, man, it's just all been sorting Teach You stuff out. But alhamdulillah, we're at a stage now where it's nearly done. 6 months, six months to 8 months of hard work, and we're nearly done. Right, so it's done. Alhamdulillah. 10:53 Wednesday. Finally, it's done. I thought it would be done Monday. Qadarullah. To be fair, I just need the developer to just connect a few things up, and inshallah, it's all done. So happy days. Now I am having a celebration meal. Yeah, call it a celebration meal. I'm getting something for me and the missus, Mr. Cod. Anyone knows High Wycombe fry up burger. Oh wow, it's shot. That is so sad. That is so sad. Right, so Thursday, the weather's looking beautiful. We are just riding it today. Inshallah, we've got some guests. You know what? I'm gonna fill you in what their plans are and what they're planning on doing as well. All right, we got the subway. Let's get in. To the office. Right, FYI, it's blazing hot. Like my steering right now, oh yeah, a'udhu billah. It's actually setting me up nicely for something I've got planned for Sunday. Inshallah, you guys will see. I'm off somewhere on Sunday, to be fair. But yeah, like 3:30, I'm gonna go pick up my little one and my missus. We're going out for a day. You know what I mean? So where you thought, oh, this guy is always working, he's got no time for family and that. Well, guess what? I'm going out with my family now. You know what I mean? So it's all about being able to balance. Go out with your family when you can. Spending time with your family when you can, when the weather's beautiful. 3:30, pick them up. Let's go do some shopping. The day of Jum'ah. We are on our way to central London. We're recording a YouTube video today. Woo! Give me a woo. He's not happy because he's woken up early. It's 9:30, man. What's wrong with you? It's 9:30 late. Oh, so he's not happy right now. But the point is, we are off to central London recording a YouTube video. I will keep you guys updated with it. What am I doing? What am I doing? I will tell you when we get there, inshallah. I can't lie, today has not gone to plan. We're planning on recording a couple of YouTube videos and that. That didn't happen because it's very hot. We got kicked out of Canary and yeah, we just couldn't record in the park because let's just say there was too much skin on show, you know what I mean? So we've had to flop it. Inshallah, we'll be back, inshallah, and we'll just have to record another time. But yeah, man, I'm just in Tesco, I'm sweating, I am. You know what I mean? I'm struggling. So I'm just in my vest now, bro. I can't lie. It is hot. We're gonna enjoy the park now. Make sure to, you know what I mean? Make sure to like up this video because your boy tried today. You know what I mean? Really, really tried. Didn't happen. Friday night, we're here in the office. We're recording. Lads are there practicing their cricket. I don't know what's going on down there, but this week's been a little bit entertaining. The week still hasn't come to an end. Friday was nice. It was hot. It was blazing. Unfortunately, the video couldn't go as we planned. Qadarullah. We'll try again. You know what I mean? We'll try again. Didn't happen. We'll take from there. So I can't lie. I forgot to record yesterday on my Saturday vlog thing. But obviously Sunday morning, what's the time right now, bro? 12 o'clock, gonna get a trip, and then I've got a little surprise for you and the family. And we're off. I'm actually taking me and the family away for a little bit. I've got some business to take care of and some other things, so trust me, you want to watch the next couple of vlogs. And we're off. Can you guys guess where we're going? Comments below.